it's not reindeer day, it's boot day. Let me see your boots. What? I already unlocked you. What do you mean you're locked in? Good morning, guys. Okay, real quick. Our Santa came out good, right? Did we do good?
I can't get him.
Did we do good?
Yeah, I can't get him.
Oh, okay. I have to rush Cole into the school real quick, and then we'll do a proper intro. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Oh, 13. I'm so proud of myself because I think I'm gonna look back, but I think around this time last year, I think I completely gave up for a few days and ended up like chunking vlogs together. I am so proud of myself for like not being in my head about it, just showing up, girl. Plus, like, you know, just bringing you along with my everyday life, like the things I do day to day that y'all probably don't see all the time because I'm not picking up the camera every day when I do my weekly vlogs. But like legit, my days look like wake up. If I'm not editing, then you know I'm doing my exercise, which has been hard to fit that in the mornings. Like mornings have not been my friend while I'm doing Vlogmas. But if I wake up early enough, I can fit in some type of movement. Just it's not a full workout, but we'll wake up, workout, devotion, get ready for work, take Cole to school, I go to work, pick Cole up, we go home, we do homework, dinner, we go to bed. That's like our typical everyday routine throughout the week. And so yeah, it switches up on Wednesdays when he goes to church with Mimi. So like I pick him up, I make sure he eats, and then I get something done for the 2 hours that he is gone and get us like midweek reset kind of going. So yeah, that's our typical. But during the holidays, every now and then our schedule gets thrown off by little things we have to do. So today after work, we are going to stop at the store and try to pick out 2 inexpensive gifts because the party tomorrow is a joint birthday. It's siblings, and so we have to get a boy gift and a girl gift. So anyways, yeah, we have to go get gifts tonight for them, pack them and have it ready to go because I don't want to be running around Saturday trying to figure it out. And I think the party's at 2, so we're gonna do that. I did wash and dry completely 3 loads of laundry. I just did not fold them, so we're gonna like start, you know, resetting the house tonight. Yeah, groceries, edit the vlog, get the gifts, have fun with Cole tonight. That's on our agenda. I'm at work. Let me get my book. I have been reading my book during lunch, y'all. I'm like halfway through. This is a long book, but it was a little boring for a second because I was like, wait, what? Like it wasn't what I expected, and then it started getting good again. So yeah, all right, let me get into it.
We're gonna start halfway through the verse. So here's the second half. The piano comes in.
You like that?
And in the right hand, we'll start with A and C sharp.
By what?
Going to B and D
Piano?
sharp.
Oh, you gonna
To
tell
G
Santa?
sharp and B.
Okay. Come on, Mr. Cowboy, with your boots. You got your boots? Oh, we need a basket. Let's see if we can find them a toy. Huh?
Bye.
What is that? Come on, come get your pouches. Come on.
At 1 point. Be sure to visit me the next time you're at HEB.
You hear it? Okay, keep going. That's not where it goes. One time. You hit it one time. Oh, 1 point again. You're gonna fall trying to hold your feet up like the gingerbread man.
Yes!
You gonna fall.
Is that true or false?
True or false?
Wow.
I legit have the roughest, most accident prone. I guess I'm the accident prone. Do y'all see my lip? I can feel it growing as we speak. I was playing with Cole and he was trying to show me a trick, y'all, and he kicked me dead in my mouth. I'm done. I'm done for the night. We'll try again in the morning. I can't. I mean, just having a good time. Trying to show me a trick. We were laughing and playing, and bam, he tried to take me out. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me. Yeah, poor distance. We'll clean it up. I got y'all on top of the dryer and y'all are shaking. Good morning, friends. So it is Saturday. So we have the birthday party today is at 2. My mom was originally supposed to be out of town the whole weekend, but my aunt and uncle are also going to see my grandma this weekend. So she was like, well, I don't need to stay. She might come back and either do the birthday party or get us our spot for the lights, because people line up really early for the lights. And the party is from 2 to 5. The lights start at 6:30, but I promise you people are going to be out there at 5 because it's like a whole little village of lights. We haven't been out there yet. We went last year. So, we got to secure our spot. So we have to tag team this and make sure Cole eats, because when he goes to birthday parties, he doesn't eat. I particularly do not like to eat at Mr. Gaddy's. It is not my favorite thing to do. And so I probably won't eat either. So we need food. Then we need to go to the party. And then tonight, we are going to finally make our s'mores. Cole was trying to do them last night, and I was like, no more sugar. You've had way too much sugar tonight. We'll do them tomorrow. He woke up talking about those doggone s'mores. So we're going to do those tonight. So I have a feeling like this vlog is probably going to be either a 2-part vlog or it's going to be like a late upload vlog. I don't want to do a late upload just because that'll get me off schedule. So this might end up being a 2-part, you know, Friday, Saturday, weekend in our life, because we got a lot to do today. And I thought I had birthday bags that fit the presents. The gifts. What am I saying? I thought I had gift bags to fit the gifts that we bought for the friends yesterday. I do not. So I have to get gift bags for them before we go to the party. Thankfully, the party is like 10 minutes up the road, so it won't take us long to get there and get bags and, you know, all the things. So yeah, and then I want to kind of get a head start on clothes for next week for Cole, because he has some more dress up days. He's like a candy cane day, a random like festive hat day, all your Christmas gear and Christmas pajamas, and then Friday he's off, but I gotta go to work. So yeah, I think he's going to spend the day with Uncle. So we're about to clean up and then go to the party, Cole said. Cole is fed. He is content. The waffles have finally cooled, so I can put them in the freezer. I made my to-do list for today. I also printed out the pages I needed for his teacher, so I could figure out what to get her. We might venture to try that today, depending on what time we leave the house. But yeah, we have a nice full day. So I'm going to stop chatting and running my mouth and get to cleaning. That's not a seat. I'm trying to do the laundry. What are you doing? That's not a chair. I need to do the laundry. Guys, we're finally ready to be outside. So I'm going to end this part of the vlog here. We'll catch y'all up with all of our afternoon, evening. Yeah, we're going to the party. All our afternoon and evening festivities. Tongue in your mouth. Tongue in your mouth. So yeah, we will see y'all later on as we get to the birthday party, the lights. Are we going to see the lights?
We go.
Are we going to see the lights tonight? Christmas lights?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up?
He said, what's up? All right, so we're heading out. We're going to see y'all in the next part of this vlog. Bye, guys.